Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the world of incredible technology with a closer look at 5 gadgets that are sure to blow your mind. Let's get started. Smartduvet. Do you ever wake up in the morning and just wish your bed could make itself? Well, with the Smartduvet, that dream can become a reality. This innovative device is a self-making bed that uses air chambers to straighten out the duvet and pillows. Simply activate the Smartduvet app on your phone and watch as your bed transforms before your eyes. The Smartduvet has other nifty features too. You can set it to warm up your bed before you climb in, or cool it down in the summer. Plus, it has dual-zone temperature control, so you and your partner can each have your preferred temperature setting. It's like having your own personal climate control for your bed. The Smartduvet retails for around $100, which may seem steep for a bed-making machine, but for those who hate making their beds, it's worth every penny. Half-yacht, half-submarine Nautilus. This half-yacht, half-submarine hybrid is a true marvel of engineering. With an upper deck designed for open-air sightseeing and a submerged body complete with large round windows for all your aquatic observation needs. And let's not forget about the interior. The Nautilus is like a 5-star hotel under the sea, designed in collaboration with Officina Armari to provide a cozy and comfortable living space no matter what time of year you're cruising. But what really sets the Nautilus apart is its attention to detail. The main deck sunken lounge, for example, is designed 25 centimeters lower than the main deck level, providing the ultimate in underwater relaxation. And if you get tired of watching the marine life outside, just pop up the hidden TV screen for some land-based entertainment, inspired by Jules Verne's classic novel. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, the Nautilus is a true modern-day marvel. With a depth rating of 200 meters and a surface cruise speed of 9 knots, you'll be able to explore the ocean depths like never before. And when you're ready to come up for air, the Nautilus offers a massive sun deck equipped with a freshwater pool, bar, and luxurious dining table. Suvie. For those who love to cook but hate doing the dishes, the Suvie is a dream come true. This countertop kitchen robot can cook complete meals for you, with minimal cleanup required. It uses sous-vide cooking techniques and refrigeration to keep your ingredients fresh until it's time to cook. Just pop in your meal, and Suvie will take care of the rest. The Suvie has for cooking zones, each with its temperature and cooking settings. You can cook multiple dishes at once, and they'll all be ready at the same time. Plus, Suvie has an app that lets you control it from your phone, so you can start cooking before you even get home. But all this convenience comes at a cost. The Suvie retails for $399. Which is a significant investment. However, for those who hate cooking and hate doing dishes even more, the Suvie is worth considering. NIO's self-driving space car NIO EDEN. This car wasn't designed by a seasoned professional, but by a master student named Jun Yanku from Hochschulforsheim University. That's right, folks, the future is in the hands of the young and innovative minds, from a distance. The NIO EDEN looks like a sleek and modern hypercar, but it's so much more than that. The LED lighting injected into the car's part lines adds a touch of sophistication, and the open-lip front design is a sight to behold. But the real magic happens when you step inside. Who has taken the turned spacious interior to a whole new level. The doors and sunroof slide open to reveal a generous spa-ambient interior that will make you feel like you're floating in space. It's the perfect setting to relax and enjoy the ride while the car takes care of the driving for you. But wait, there's more. We know you're dying to know the price, and we won't keep you waiting any longer. The NIO EDEN comes with a price tag of $1.5 million. That may sound steep, but can you really put a price on feeling like you're floating in space? Destinus to build hydrogen-fueled hypersonic planes. Swiss startup Destinus is here to save the day with its hypersonic planes that can take you from Europe to Australia in just 4 hours. Yes, you read that right. 4 hours, that's less time than it takes to binge watch your favorite TV show. But hold on, you might be wondering how this is even possible. The answer lies in Destinus' cutting-edge technology that combines the power of hydrogen fuel and advanced aerospace engineering. These hypersonic planes can reach speeds more than 5 times the speed of sound, making it possible to cross the world in just a few hours. Now, you might be wondering how Destinus plans to achieve such a feat. Well, the company has developed a unique takeoff and landing process that involves using a hyperport, an airport equipped with infrastructure for hydrogen handling and unmanned aerial vehicles. And once the plane takes off, it quickly accelerates to reach high altitude levels where it ignites its chemical rocket engine to boost its speed even further. But that's not all. Destinus is also working on developing an active cooling system that can convert the thermal energy generated by friction with air into propulsion. This will help keep the plane's structure cold enough to survive the external hot flow conditions while powering the rocket engines. And the good news keeps on coming. In April 2023, Destinus announced that it had been awarded grants worth 26.7 million euros by the Spanish government to expand its hydrogen propulsion capabilities and further invest in making hypersonic planes. In conclusion, these are just a few examples of the incredible technology out there that you might not have heard of. Who knows what other marvels are being developed as we speak. It's a thrilling time to be alive, folks. Don't miss out on the fun and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring.